Today I'll show you how to make this heart. It needs to be long.
Okay, thank you.
First you need to add 8 beads to the string.
So now you have 8, yes?
And now we're just gonna tie it, but one string very long and one short, so like this. Tie it really hard. Now we'll be adding 5 beads to the string. 5. And now we'll skip this one and go to this one. Continue this all the way to the end. Now we'll be going to these 2 beads. And now we'll be adding 6 beads. Now we'll be going to these 3 beads. Wow! And make sure that this isn't like this, but like this.
That's a trick. Nice.
Now we'll add 3 beads. And going here. Now we'll be going to these 2 beads. Now we'll add 6 beads. Now we'll be going to this. And now we'll just tie it. First, we'll go here. And then to this one.
It's not so easy, right?
Yes, it is it. Now we'll just tie it off. Maybe 3 ties or more. Now we just cut it, and ta-da!
Just perfect heart.
Exactly.
Yes.